Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
Let's get down to trading, guys. All the currency pairs have already been picked. The same goes for indicators. They gonna help us a lot. The first one is the ADX, by using which we will figure out the nature of the price movement, and also the fractal, which will help us to identify local highs and lows, so we are continuing on them. We open position on the 1 minute time frame for the maximum deposit amount, and let's not drag this out and find the currency pair. We are interested in the pairs that have the most profitable payout rate, and let's see what's happening in the market. Well, we see the growth in here, and it makes sense to open a long position. Quite good trade entry. Look at this massive pump down here, where the price started going down and the price rejected from this level. The local lows was updated and the price should go to the upside. There was a nice correction here. That's why we opened the long position. By the way, we see an uptrend on the currency pair. If you look at the ADX, the crossing of the moving average did happen from bottom to top. That's why we open the long. Let's watch. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing. So far so good. And the first position has been closed in profit, guys. We got $200 on the balance. Let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. So, what do we got here? Well, was it really little pullback? Anyway, let's open a short position, guys. We have get around 30 seconds. Yeah, look. This could be a potential trend reversal. I'll point out this important resistance zone. The price rejected from this zone each time. And here the price zone played out. The price went down and we see some liquidity here, after which the previous price started going up and rejected from this resistance zone again. So theoretically the price is likely to go down again, and we see the crossing from the top down on the AD. That's why we've opened the short position here. There were around 10 seconds left before the closing. And the second one is in the profit, guys. Perfect trade entry, I guess. We noticed the resistance zone just in time, and there is no stopping here. Let's change the currency pair and find the most promising trade entry. Well, I guess we should open a short here. I'll point out the workspace. Look at this downtrend. The support zone played out here. The price starts going up. We see some liquidity here, and we should also point out the zone. The price hasn't managed to break this out, and there we see correction, a little pullback in the zone, after which I'm expecting the price to continue going down. Here is the crossing of the green and red moving average of the ADX from the top down, which is a bearish signal. There is less than 20 seconds left before the closing. The price is holding at the same level so far. Let's see what's gonna happen. Another position has been closed in profits. Basically, we calculated perfectly. There was no mistake, and let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's take a look. Seems like we should open a short here. I'll select the workspace. I wanna draw your attention to the fact that the resistance zone should play out here, and the price is gonna go down. If we take a closer look at the zone, we can conclude that this is an uptrend. A small recovery has happened, and then the price should go to the further correction. Or it could be just a pullback anyway downward. Dynamics should take place. Whether it's a continuation of the trend or continuation on the correction, the position was opened correctly. And another position has been closed in a profit, perfectly calculated, so we are gonna update the trade amount. And let's change the currency pair. So I guess it makes sense to open a long here. We can observe a non-intensive upward movement despite this low volatility. The ADX moving average is around 30, probably 33. And basically it tells us that the upward dynamics prevails, the local lows are updated, and in the zone, after the pullback, the price should go to the upside. After these previous pullbacks, the price should eventually move to the upside. So let's watch, guys. Good job. Another position has been closed in profits. We got more than $2,000 on the balance. There is no stopping here. Let's change the currency pair. So here we should open two long position. I believe that no pullback is expected here. The breakout of this zone is more likely to happen now, and the price should go to the upside because we've seen this tiny correction. There was the crossing on the ADX, and the moving average is above level 20, and it tells us that the trend has medium intensity, and it seems like we're gonna see an upwards dynamics in this short term. That's why we open our long position. So let's watch, guys. Another position has been closed in a profit, exactly as I predicted, guys. Good trade entry, and let's change the currency pair and carry on analyzing. We observe a more descending price movements. However, I think it makes sense to open zero long position here. So we really continued on the support level. That's gonna play out, and the price should go to the upside. Also, see the crossing on the ADX floor, the bottom up. This is a bullish signals and it hints us that the price should go to the upside. Also, after the strong correction here, the price is likely to move upwards up to the resistance zone. That's why we open our long position and look at this incredible breakout, guys. The crossing has simply happened, the support zone played out perfectly, and the price went up exactly as I predicted. Very nice. And we are in the profits again. We got $6,000 on the balance. And let's change the currency pair. Let's open zero short position. Yeah, I will point out the workspace. This resistance zone has to play out here. The price should go lower. Previously there was correction here that followed after the upward dynamics. Here we also observe the upward dynamics, and like in the previous case, the correction is even here. That's why we open the short position, guys. We play out the correction while having the upward dynamics. Recently I told you that it is a bit risky move, and you should open the position only when you see a readable support zone, so that we could expect a rebound, and this is exactly what happened now. And we got more than $11,000 on the balance now, and I think we should open our final position in order to consolidate our gains. So let's find another currency pair. We are gonna open a few more trades, but before that we need to find a good trade entry. So we see a more downward dynamics on the ADX. Let's take a look at here. So let's open our long position here. We observe a low volatility and steady price movement. Select the workspace. So guys, we expecting to see the update of the local law here, and after this good correction the price should continue going up. We release the support zone played out here, and that's why we open our long position following the trend direction, and there are less than 20 seconds left before the closing. So let's just watch the price dynamics. So far so good, and our position having closed in profit, guys. There are $20,000 on the balance. I'm happy to see that. Quite impressive trading session, don't you think, guys? So let's move to withdrawal. I'd like to withdraw $20,000. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. Our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done. Thank you guys for watching. Leave the comments down below. I would like to know your thoughts about my trading, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.